Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features, a fair price. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, ventilated seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.